Hello everyone, thanks for joining us today. I am Neerja Bhandari and we are going to talk about the GIC. GIC is Guaranteed Investment Certificate, which is generally $10,000 deposited in a Canadian financial institution. So it could be Scotiabank, TD Canada, CIBC, or any of the other institutions that come under immigration list of where you can have a GIC account, and this is generally for student visas. It is considered one of the required documents when you are doing SDS program, that is the student direct stream from the countries which qualify, to show that you have enough funds to survive in Canada for a year. If you don't have the GIC account, you will not be considered under the SDS program even if your country qualifies for it. You will be considered a normal student. Why $10,000? $10,000 investment GIC account shows that you have $10,000, which is generally considered enough for a student to survive for 1 year, along with their part-time jobs if and when they have. And out of the GIC account, the banks only release a certain amount every month for you to use, along with other with your pocket money, with the rental income that you need to pay. So whatever you need to do, that makes sure that you can show to immigration that you have enough funds to survive in Canada. What used to happen before is people used to show that they have taken loans from the bank, the education loans, which once the application was approved, those loans would be returned or cancelled. And in Canada, when the students came, they would show that they do not have enough funds for themselves and then would skip school or ask for excuses not to complete the next session till they can have enough money and work to get the next session's money. So to overcome that situation and to make sure that there is no excuse left and students have a proper founded system and a proper funds, they do not lose any time when they are completing their education. They fulfill the requirements of being a full-time student who has not had any gaps in education to get their postgraduate work permits. It is one of the essential documents, and it is highly recommended that you show minimum $10,000 funds when you're coming to Canada, and especially if you're doing SDS program for an international student. Create a GIC account and provide the GIC certificate, as it is called, as one of the documents. Thank you.